Okay, so it is raining. Well, it was raining, and now it's snowing, but it's melting into rain here. And it's kind of foggy. It's hard to see. So, good thing we went to town this morning. My daughter got her brace on. She hooked blue with silver glitter. Oh, her cast. With silver glitter. Or gold glitter. Silver. And I'm cutting cheese. Seems like always. Oh. And then, house really doesn't need to be cleaned today. We do have to put laundry away, but girls are kind of tired, so they might take a nap. Otherwise, I don't think we're gonna really do anything today. Nothing fun anyway. If it's nice, by Sunday, I might take him to the new Minecraft movie. But it depends on the weather.
Came out today. The theaters. Yeah.
But otherwise, we're not doing anything besides grating cheese and putting laundry away. Nothing fun. If the weather was nice, it would be a little bit better. Maybe. Maybe not better, but could at least maybe do something.
When is it summer? 3,000 days.
Well, it's spring now, so.
I thought it was like
I know.
spring.
I got my new glasses today. Kind of like them.
I don't.
I know. They don't like them. They like my old ones, but I like these ones.
Those ones are too skinny. On the outline.
On the outline? They're too skinny?
Skinny.
And my other ones were thicker. I like these ones, though. But, anyway. I'm probably just going to finish up cutting up cheese, and, I don't know. It's kind of a meh day, so we'll probably just watch a movie and eat some popcorn.
Yay.
Nothing fun.
Something fun.
Well, kinda. Cuddle, watch a movie and popcorn. So, if I do anything later, I'll probably come on, but I'm not sure. But I will talk to you guys later. Bye!